saw in the last video, we're out here in Altadena, California. We prepared a job for you guys, and yeah, today we checked up with the house owner. He said everything's good, so ready to pour. We got the finishers, the concrete, as you can tell, and we got the concrete pump over there. I got 10 yards in here, 3,000 psi with 1% of fiber, and we got another truck loading up right now, but yeah, so let's keep it short and let's get it started. Let's go. Right here, easy money. Keep it going. Look, it looks pretty cool, honestly. I like how it's looking already. Yeah, let me. ¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Ay, Miguel! Look at this. ¿Qué? ¿Si va a alcanzar o no? Tony, what do you think? ¿Va a alcanzar o no? No. ¿Cuánto apostamos?
Cero
con el cachete. ¡Hey, yo!
If you win, te invito a un peluquín.
¿Ya? ¿Qué? ¿Si va a alcanzar, Carlito?
Sí, creo que sí.
¿Ya?
Sí,
La neta. ¿Y si no?
El novio va a pagar 12.
Hay que apostar. ¿Qué apostamos? Tony, ¿qué apostamos?
Dice Ariel que el que gana el peluquín.
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Eso no, Tony! ¡Ay, Miguel!
Sácame bailando cuando.
A ver, ea, sola. Chihuihui. Mire, algo bien cálida. Nice, beautiful. A ver, tío, dígales algo a las morritas. I got my truck unloaded already, so they're unloading the second truck right now. I think hopefully with that one they should make it, but yeah, I think we're gonna wait over there at the plant either way. But either way, we're gonna come back here right now, so it's all cool. Let's head over to the plant and I'll catch you guys when we come back right now. I might come back in the truck, or that might be it for the concrete, but yeah, let's come back right now. I'll see you guys in a bit. So we're back at the job. I had to take another load at another job, so it's been kind of late, but looks like they finished it up already. Let's go check it out. Tony right here was the manager. He knows what's up. But yeah, let's go check it. So yeah, first we got right here, well, the 2 steps, and then the little slab right here. Check it out, look at this. We got the forms on. They did broom finish all around. Look at that. Chulada. Got a joint right in the middle, and then that's about it for this piece. But oh, and then look, check this detail. We got the drain right there coming out to the bottom. It'll be algo bien professional. And then come over here. Pop, pop, pop. Muchas gracias. Ready? And then over here, we got this part over here. We got the forms out as well. No cracks, no damage, nothing. Everything clean. Look at that. Professionally done. We got the whole driveway. Look at that chulada. And over here, like I told you in the last video, we got the little curve right here. Like, check it out. Straight. No damage at all. Do a flip. Get that.
My bad. I didn't know
Imagine it fell in there.
I don't know she was gonna fall out. Fuck.
And we got another drain right here. Where does that one come from? I didn't even.
No, this
oh
one.
no, that one goes down.
Yeah, this
there.
one's just a French drain, just for like the water that's excess from all the way up there, so it won't go to this house and they have a problem with the neighbors. It goes into here
Yeah.
and just takes it out through the little bridge.
Broom finish as well. Got multiple joints. How wide are the joints?
I'm sure like 8 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, look. Get it from this angle. It's good. Look. Check that out. A little slope. Okay, a lot of water come out here. We don't want no fire. Big Annie stepping in his. And we got this right here. Even more steps. Same thing all around. Look at that. Look at our chulada. It was 3,000 psi with 1% fiber. We don't want no cracks or anything. Yeah, that's about it. Look, check it out. We got it done. And yeah, if you guys like this video, go check out my last video where you'll see us preparing it. And yeah, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe.